This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Peace Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Well, every day we come live. You hit that like and subscribe, and we're going to the moon, and damn, we're going soon. How's everybody doing this morning? Had a couple people in the Instagram chat that we have, the Wolves of Wall Street, and I love every one of them, including Alex, Aaron, all of you wolves as well, but they were breaking my balls last night, and I deserved it, because I was sitting there up showing the points of where, hey, we're going to hit this price. I told you so. We hit the price. And they were like, haha, I told you so. And they're mocking me, and it was very well done. But the proof of the matter is it's in the pudding. I did show you very much. We're going to do Dogecoin update, and then we're going to have you, the audience, you're going to give me 2 to 3 assets after Dogecoin update, and we're going to break down your asset and where we think the price is going to go next, why I think it's altcoin season after Bitcoin settles here, and the rest of the tokens are going to go up. So you enjoy the technical analysis side. You hit the bell. We're at 1.39 subscribers, so thank you so much. The likes are coming. Everybody's doing their job. We're going to get to 1.4, 1.5 before you know it. Yeah, we have an Instagram chat. It's only a select few people, but if you follow us on Instagram, you have an opportunity to make it into the chat. So right now, hit the like, hit the subscribe, all-time highs for this channel. I appreciate it very much.
Dogecoin is getting a beautiful
but I want to talk about this Dogecoin move. I want to talk about this. I said 15 cents on the very last video. Check it out. You could check it out for yourself. 15 cents, I meant that there was going to be big resistance. We're going to talk about where it's going down. We're going to talk about when's the next buyback. Is it already a good buyback now? And why I believe it will still pump to $1 in the long-term frame. So listen to this video real quick on Instagram. If you don't know where we are wallst.pete. Check us out Instagram. You have to get into the mix. All right, here we go. Really see what's happening in the big picture on the daily. We need to break above this, and this is what I was trying to tell a lot of people. The 11 cents is strong. I love the 11 cents. I'm happy we made it. But 12.3. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're just tuning in this morning for that, we need to get to 12.3 as I screw this up and get the image back on. 12.3, 12 cents, 12.30. We have to get above and break above, and in order for us to be able to fight to the next level, at the 15 cents. So Dogecoin has a few levels, has a road path to victory. Currently, Dogecoin is getting a beautiful recovery. And people don't understand. That was the level we had to get to. We had to get to the 12.3 and break above where we're pretty much at right now on Dogecoin. And I said, in order for us to get to the 15 cents, right? That's what I said. In order for us to get to the 15 cents, ladies and gentlemen, it's not just so we hit the price and I called it. No, because I can sit here for 10 years going, Dogecoin's going to be $10 one day. And then in 10 years when it comes, I'm going to do a video. No, that's not how it works. I said 15 cents, put your sell order at. That's pretty much what it was. and you'll be able to find hard resistance. Well, what are we doing right now? We formed a double top pattern formation on the 4 hourly or the hourly, but we did it on the 4 as well. Short-term time frame. Watch this Fibonacci sequence. We hit into the golden pocket. What is the golden pocket? Fibonacci level, just a sequence of levels, measurement of where we could possibly go into the next price range for Doge. And this is the golden pocket right here. So I made it yellow. It's golden. Check us out. We hit off the 23.6 here at the 11.47, and it seems to have gotten a nice jump, as you can see right there, right? So it's gotten one. If we continue, we're good. If we can't break above this price, which I have written here, and this is what you're going to see as a little secret here, break 13.7. We have to break this 13.7. Once we break the 13.7, there is a saying, S-man, his U and B. Do you know what that means? Nobody in the world knows what that means. It means, show me a new high. Show me a new high, and I'll show you a new buy. So basically 13.7, we need to finish a daily candle above that price. If we can do, ladies and gentlemen, finish the candle above that price, which I said is the 13.7. As you can see, it's all the way up here. We need to get rid of some of the mess, and then we're going to go over your asset. You tell me in the comments section what asset you want Wall Street Pete to go over. One more time, this 13.7, we need to finish above, and I'm going to make this a different color so you can understand how serious I mean about this. We need this price to be broken and finished above the daily in order to start testing the level of the all-time high. If not, we're going to be finding this as a head. Right now, currently, I do believe Wall Street Pete breaks it down fairly easy for you. Left shoulder being established will come down, and then we're going to form a head. Big news for you, well, the head that's going to form, and let me get that out right. Left shoulder coming in. Obviously, the head is going to be the top peak of where I think we're going to go. Create a right shoulder dead cat bounce and come all the way down, and then you're going to be miserable as AF because you're going to find yourself not where you really want to be. But this is what the pattern is going to develop. Then we'll take out some indicators, some different things here to get and see where we're at. And right now, double top formation does not mean we can test again. We can. The volume's kicking ass, Seabass. And as I can see right here, the volume's up 200% in the last 24 hours. So we're up 200% currently right now. I want to pay attention definitely to mention as it surpassed Cardano in the all grand scheme of things of market capitalization. 16.4 billion. So market cap is very strong. I'm waiting for Cardano to make this type of move, but Cardano does not have Elon Musk behind it. So unfortunately, it cannot do those sort of things. It's one of those steady. And you know what? It's funny because Cardano is I guess then basically analogy of the turtle. And Dogecoin is like the rabbit, right? It's crazy, even though it is a dog. But I'm trying to give you a great analogy. Up 111%, okay? In the last week or so. This is why people are excited to invest in this. Good morning, Tommy, Selner, Sean, and everyone else into the super chat here. We're talking about Dogecoin. I do have a comment for Jasmine, and no surprise, right? I had Jasmine all set up for you already. I did not do any analysis on it, but I did pay attention to the breakout here of some resistance. So we'll talk about that next. We could do some Jasmine if you're interested. Pay attention, definitely to mention currently right now for the Dogecoin, double top pattern even in the RSI level. But what do I see? We don't always pay attention to the RSI levels and say this is the ultimate answer, but I do see a possible breakout for a W. So there is a chance, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to find Dogecoin fighting and rearing its ugly head, which I wouldn't call it such an ugly head, right? A lot of us are excited about this movement, but we're going to find ourselves all the way to the 19 cents. Big possibility for this to happen. I did see the breakout. I want to go back to the 4 hourly real quick as I'm giving everyone a headache going back and forth. And was this the one? No, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is. So what I got here is I cloned. What I wound up doing was cloning the movement, and there it is. I cloned this movement that we just got, this big move right here. So if we get this test down, and this is going to be believed the next move to the upside, as you can see, a huge 4 hourly candle touching this price level here. Let's get rid of the head and shoulders pattern because I'm moving to the right. Let's get that. I want to show you what's happening right now. We could be forming this left shoulder, which is going to create a head. And if it does that, ladies and gentlemen, as we're establishing some sort of support right here, and I don't know if you see that, the last 4 hourly candles, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can see about 7 candles, right, between the ones that finished above, liquidity grabs down to the exponential moving, and most likely this Fibonacci level. So if you pay attention to what I'm saying here, the head is going to ultimately correlate to what we're saying. I will get a price level probably to the 19 cents. That's where all this makes sense. Huge cup and handle. What would I do if I was trading this right now? And I am. I would make sure that I follow the next big jumps here, which is 17 cents. And that's going to be my top there. I know I see 19 as a liquidity grab. I'm going to go, and Wall Street Pete's going to tell you right now, if we break and retest the all-time high here, the currently new highs, right? Not all-time high, excuse me. The current new highs that we're establishing on a new boom trend here, you want to break the 15 cents. If we start breaking that, show me a new high, I'll show you a new buy. And I'm talking about the current one. So we have to break a bubble, create the head, and I do believe you can sell some around the 17 cents if you're interested in that sort of thing. If you want to hold it for a long term, the huge breakout on this long falling wedge here, and this is a big falling wedge, pay no attention to that. But this falling wedge here right now, currently, as you can see, is on a breakout. When is it finished? When is it complete? Ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be here. I know we're going to $1 one day, but if you want to make some money, you want to make some sick dough in crypto, and you're here for the long term and just going to dollar cost average into each dip, well, this is your strategy. This is my strategy, not financial advice. We're done with the Dogecoin. On to Jasmine. This is the possibility of my huge sellout, 50%, because if we do go to $1, I don't want to have a story crying how I sold out at 43.5 and all of you hate me for it, which comes to a fantastic video. If you are a follower, watch this video. This is a great video because it makes so much sense. I'm the bad guy when things go wrong, and I'm the goat when they go right. It's such a wonderful, wonderful video from Scarface. Check it out. But on to Jasmine, the Jasmine price. If you're interested in that, comment in the comment section. We'll go over one more asset. Another asset, not financial advice. Please understand this is my strategy only. What asset would you like to go over? What would Wall Street Pete go over here for you? We're going to break this down. If it's okay with you, we talked about this right shoulder going up. It's common sense. We finally broke out, right? Here it is, right shoulder. Right shoulder is very bearish on the inverted head. I pretty much was trying to explain this, but it was the dip that kept on dipping, right? We didn't know when it was going to happen, so I can only call so much. We're going to remove the drawings. We're going to move everything. We're going to start fresh to death. That's what Wall Street Pete likes to do. Looking at the volume here, total crypto market cap, we must pay attention. 1.02, that seems to be a support, right, for a market cap, if that makes any sense to you. Jasmine currently right now, all the way down to the bottom. I couldn't imagine how far we got to go to find it. I'm not going to do that. We could type it right here in the top right. So if you are following it and don't want to give people headaches, obviously I have people following me. I shouldn't be doing that. I'm sorry about that. But there's your Jasmine. So if you want to do that, you just type it into the top right. It'll tell you what token it currently is facing, so you can find out which number in the market capitalization it is. Currently ranked 501. So you go to the 501. We would have went for a long time going down. That would have sucked, right? I knew we weren't getting there. So currently right now the volume is up, and whew. So you want to talk about some volume, right? 800% volume in the Jasmine asset. Currently right now, cup and handle formation being met. It's probably a perfect cup and handle if you got your 4-hourly chart on TradingView. What happens ultimately, then you get this handle that comes down. We already know much about it. This is currently what we're facing. If I were to look at a daily, this would most likely be the best case scenario. Yes, pay attention definitely to mention. Wall Street Pete's going to break this down for you. You are very fortunate to have me. And I'm very fortunate to have you, right? It's like a wonderful relationship. It doesn't just work one way. I need you to hit the like. I need you to subscribe. Look at this guy. Coming in when Doge. You better hit the rewind button, Mr. Vinny. My cousin Vinny. You little mini late boy. Because you're late, but better late than never, right? Check us out, Vinny. We just got over Dogecoin. I can't go over it again, but we talked about that 43.5 cent that you were tipped on yesterday or a couple days before the show. So, yeah, my cousin Vinny gets a couple tidbits here and there. He's a lucky guy, but that's my backup over there. So, whoo! Swallowing coffee. You're probably laughing your ass off right now. Buy the dip, have a sip. Fibonacci sequence. Here we go. Without further ado, and I apologize. This is the golden pocket. This is something I teach. This is something I preach. For the golden pocket for Jasmy now, this is something that we're in. We're going to talk about it, but this is pretty much my golden pocket, my zone. This is my hardcore zone in between here. Pay attention definitely to mention because it's very important to know the difference. Big golden pocket outside, and then the inside is my most aggressive, most exciting part. Let's see if this works because I want it to be tiny. All right, so here we go. Looking at these sort of things, we got 0.0056 for Jasmy. That is going to be an order I put as a buyback, right? The altcoins are heating up. This is some of the things I expect to happen. So we're looking for a J-like substance here coming in all the way from the top of that nice 15 cents or whatever the hell we hit. I'm sorry, not 15. That was Doge, right? You get things messed up here. 0.006. So we're hitting resistance currently for the top cup of the cup and handle. As you can see, a cup and handle beautifully. So here comes our handle. Big ass handle here. Could come all the way down here, all the way to the 50%. So you have two options. You could dollar cost average in, or you could put the farm in and you could cry and bitch about it and blame me. You could do whatever you want, right? But definitely hit the like, hit the subscribe, and the bell all notification. Not much of a big price difference here. I will always go back and watch a video again. Haha, woo, Uncle Pete. Let's go. Don't call me Uncle, because I don't know if that's... Come on, man. Uncle? Damn! So, so let's pay attention to this as I get embarrassed there with the uncle comment. I don't know how that's not even possible. Here's the cup. And you got to pay attention to this. We're falling currently right now, double top on the Doge, right? So what's happening here? Most likely we're getting a double top on the Jasmy. Did anybody comment? Oh, Jupiter. Tomb or Jupiter? I like it. I like it. I like it, Don. So Don is commenting. He's following very well. Relative strength index chart, we do have it up. We'll put it up twice, but we don't need it there twice. Here we are coming in, and as you can see, we are very, 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 very overbought on this right now for the RSI level for Jasmy. So anyone interested in Jasmy, pay attention right now. And anybody interested in Dogecoin, well, just rewind the video and go back, but make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I was just reading a Christian Caffrey comment because, you know, we kill it in the football parlays. We've been winning those as well. You the uncle, I'm the cousin, we fam. I guess that is all that matters. But check us out here all the way to the top. So I do see Jasmy. Guys, it's Sunday. It's Sunday. What happens every single mother effing Sunday? Let's get to the daily. Let's pay attention. I swear, it's almost like Sesame Street, right? 1, two, right? Count Dracula. What day was Sunday? Well, if I go back, it was the 23rd. What happened on the 23rd, guys? What happened on the 23rd? We fell, right? All the way into Sunday, and then, look, came over, and then the week came in, and we got bullish, right? All right. What was that again? Take 3. We'll go back. Back from there, we'll go 2 weeks ago now, right? 2 weeks ago? Well, 2 weeks ago was the 16th. So another Sunday. Here it is Sunday. What happened? Well, it finished green. But the point is we always get this massive fall. I'm telling you. So what's happening here now is we're going to get an opportunity to rebuy this. As you can see, though, this is a different formation. Even on the daily, it still contains and remains to be the same. Now, we're not getting the retracement on the daily like we're getting it on the shorter time frame. So what's happening now is you're going to find Sunday on the longer term time frame to be down more. So we'll probably get a day or two down. We'll go into Monday, Tuesday, fall down maybe a little bit. I hope it doesn't go that long because this is very bullish to market. And then get a right big pop-up. So I'm hoping 2, usually I'll tell you right now, the 4-hourly gets 2. And here we are, a perfect example. Call me crazy, call me Uncle Pete, call me Wall Street, call me whatever you want, right? Just don't call me late for dinner because I love food. Check us out. 56 is the number, 38.2. I'm going to tell you right now, if I had to put my buy order back in, I'm buying back in on Jasmy at the 38.2. We're going to go to Jupiter next. We're going to get these 2 candles down. What's going to happen is when these 2 candles are finished, 2 hours and 31 minutes exactly. When this is a long video, this is an important video, by the way. We do 15 to 20-minute videos only. I don't know if you've noticed the difference. No one has a half hour to an hour to watch this shiznick. Watch what's happening. We're going to bounce pretty hardcore. I'm confident that this is a possibility and it will occur. So watch what's going on. We'll retest, get a double pattern formation like we did with the Dogecoin on the RSI. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Then you'll find out. double top formations will occur. They are coming. See them? That's going to happen. I think it's already happened. Let's get to the 4 hourly. No, it did not happen yet. There will be one more. We'll double top and we'll get out. So if you're in Jasmine, you did not take profits, or if you're excited and you think that we're going to retest this, we have to break the 6-3 in order for this to be the left shoulder. Same exact scenario as Dogecoin. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we will have a head that will take you higher until we ultimately start breaking down and retracing from the higher high that we are now developing. Do you understand what's happening? No one is paying attention. I'm sure of it. You gotta pay attention, definitely, to mother effing mention. So somewhere around here, ladies and gentlemen, the all-time frame, and you remember this support, the 0.008 price. Don't tell me you don't remember this price in September, because I know you're going to remember it when it comes back in your ass and hits it and breaks through. Now, what I need for it to break through is to finish a daily candle, and I'm going to write it and I'm going to make it very, very obvious. This is it. Ready? I bought Cardano at 33.9, Vinny. Just bought it in October 21st. I have proof what we did here. So if we don't, so we need to finish a candle, and I would choose daily above this price, and then you're going to see, I'm telling you right now, you're going to see the 8.1. Don't believe me? Don't believe me? Just watch! Boom, 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 boom. I'm telling you right now, and with the same kind of situation. So Cardano, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I suggest you start doing it. Because when I tell you it's a good buy, when I tell you we want to go, and I tell you you want to set your goals high, you better start doing it. Because right now we post so damn much that I can't even get to where I bought it. And if you see right here, we bought Aptos at 746. We sold that right away, made some profits. We do not hold for a long time on volatile risk assets, as that's a very volatile risk asset. But October 21st. We have the proof. We put our money where our mouth is. When we say we're going to do something, we do it. Pay attention. Definitely to mention 33.9 is a joke right now. So trading 43 cents last night for Cardano. Yes, it's a big deal. Pay attention to what we're doing now. None of this is financial advice, but gentleman twice as nice is sharing his information. When this becomes either the head, which is the left shoulder at the current time frame, you may find that this bounces. And if this bounces perfectly off any one of these numbers, and I'm trying to explain to you because you got 2 hours and 28 minutes, play a game. Do what you got to do. In 2 hours and 28 minutes, we get a green candle. We are going to retest this price. And on top of that, if we break it, you have an opportunity. Well, let's talk about it before we get into the Jupiter. We're going to do Jupiter next, if that's okay. What are the wolves asked? And then we're going to end this chat. Jasmine, are you ready for this? 45.22% move on its way if we could break above that price. Pay attention, definitely to mention, finish a candle above there and start breaking through. It'll be a show me a new high, show me a new buy. You'll be bouncing off. We could bounce off the 50% Fibonacci sequence at the 5.4 or the 5.6. I'm trying to be very clear with you. Jupiter, let's go. Where is Jupiter? Jupiter in Jupiter. Couldn't tell you the last time I checked out Jupiter, but I did know that this was a good buy here. If we break above, put a sell stop, right? Put a sell stop right here. If we fall below, it's going to get worse. I do not see any of this happening currently right now, just like the rest of the crypto space, ladies and gentlemen. When the crypto space copies itself in this sort of magnitude, you better start getting excited. Altcoin season is here. That's how I feel. And currently right now, Jupiter, as the rest of them, you have 2 options right now. We are going to continue, which is really not 2 options. There's 1 option here on this chart. Bye, 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 bye. And I could sing and sing. Bye, 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 bye. What the fuck you gonna do? We're falling down with Jupiter. It might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Ladies and gentlemen, bye. I'm telling you right now, Jupiter, if you look at this, as I always put analogies and things, joking around, songs, whatever, right? Haven't heard that shit in a long time. There is a bullish flag developing. If you don't know what a bullish flag is, go look it up. There is a bullish flag coming into this pattern. This is Jupiter once again. I have a cup and handle. One huge bullish sign right there, as it is. Then, when I'm done with my cup and handle, I also have the other bullish momentum telling me on that flag that I just taught you all what it is. Pay attention to the bullish flag, then put some indicators out. We're going to watch this price. We're going to see where it might be a good buy. There is going to be another test just like Jasmy. So Jasmy and Jupiter are probably doing the same thing. Dogecoin is ahead of the game. I know my singing might have hurt your ears. I apologize. It was just a little joke analogy to wake you up in the morning. But here we are. Like I say, listen to a good beat. If you didn't listen to a good beat already, then you're behind the 8 ball. But let's go. Right here, I see the support at the 0.0075. That, my friends, if we could turn this old support, right, old support right here into, and I want you to see here, what happened, it was resistance. We're turning it into resistance again, which is very, very big. I see that now. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can flip it into support. Now I need to creep and make this handle. Now this is Jupiter again. Repeat, this is Jupiter. This is not Jasmy. You're the wolf. You get to ask. You get to chat with Wall Street Pete if you subscribe to the channel, and then you say, hey, can you do this? None of it is going to be financial advice now, but I'm going to explain to you what's happening. We're going to stay in this trading range right here. This is the comfortable trading range for Jupiter. Pay attention because it is a shit coin. It is I don't want to make fun of it, but it is what it is. It's a fraction of a cent. It's a penny stock, whatever you want to call these sorts of things. I do see a JLX Simpsons coming in here, which is a cup and handle inside a cup and handle. Pay attention. We are going to test this level. It is old support now. So this old support is now flipping into resistance. It's actually a bearish move here. But because Elon saved the day and brought the market back, I'm confident by looking at this chart, we'll continue to creep into another handle here, cup. Come down, test, get a rejection at the 0.0075. It'll come in now. What you're going to create here is another cup inside a cup and handle. Get rejected. She won't give us her phone number, but then you will see a W breakout formation. Most likely you're going to find yourself at this price fighting hardcore until we can get all the way back to the 10. So these are the two levels I'm explaining. I'm not saying when the price gets here we celebrate and get excited. I'm saying that you're going to find major resistance at one of these prices. So please understand, that's what we're saying. This is why you subscribe. This is why you hit the bell notification. You hit the all, because I'm explaining to you that there is a good buy zone, there is a good sell zone, and currently right now, great selling opportunity. I will just write resistance. If you don't know what that means, this channel is too advanced for you, and I make this as simple as possible. So once again, with the Jupiter price, we're going to find hitting resistance over and over at this range. This is the price range we will find ourselves in. Another cup and handle. Looks like a nice J-like substance if it moves quickly. So Wall Street Pete's sick dough in crypto. Every day we go over this crypto space. No news this morning. But we do have technical analysis. Just the other day, 1.378. We are now 1.39. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate every single one of you, and we couldn't do it without you. Please continue to hit the like, hit the bell. I don't know what it does to hurt. Does it hurt your finger to do it? Share this with a friend. We need 10 more for 1.4K subscribers. I can't wait to celebrate with this channel and start giving out special gifts and prizes and things. We're going to have so much fun, but we have to get to a certain amount first. I was trying to do it before I became bigger. Last year, if you remember, we're going to do an Xbox, we're going to do this and that. We really couldn't do it. It was too tough. They went on back order, the new ones. Long story short, I want to grow this channel. I want to make it something bigger than what it is. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. How about a little Jasmy TA? Imagine that. So Lyric just got into the channel. Everybody tell Lyric, hilarious. We went over 2 assets that you would like to go over, and that was one of them. We spent a very long time on it. So welcome to the channel. Welcome to the chat. I'm sorry that you literally just missed it, but you can rewind. This is going to be a video. This is why you hit the bell, all notifications, so you get the notification, and then it becomes live, and you can chat with us and get it and not watch an old video. But hey, we all have lives, right? It's Sunday. We're probably sleeping. The early bird gets the worm. I love all of you. Peace in and peace out. We're out of here. Mike Vladimir, and I'm not talking about Putin. Take care. Till the next video.